Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the spot that I fished about a year ago. Sorry about that wind in advance. I fished this spot about a year ago on my kayak, so it was a little different, but this time I'm going to be fishing on foot because the water, I don't know if you can tell behind me, it's like way back there and you have to walk a long way to get to it. So today I'm gonna be fishing that spot. Hopefully there's fish here. Last time I came on my kayak there was a ton of fish, so hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. Alright everybody, so I've made it to the first spot of the day. Well, mainly the main spot. It took me a while to walk here, so I'm going to be starting off with some top water. This spot seems pretty shallow, so I don't know if I'm going to fish it for too long. I'm going to make my way down. It's completely changed since the last time I fished here. It's pretty crazy, guys. I'm not sure there's any fish here still, some good fish, but last time I caught a decent amount. So I'm going to try this out for a while to see if I can get a bite. Alright guys, so I've been fishing with top water for about 45 minutes or so, but I am not seeing a lot of action just in general around this area. Not too many fish are blowing up, so I'm gonna fish this like rocky area with the Cinco. I don't know how deep it is. It seems pretty deep, relatively deep, but I'm gonna be fishing this area and see if I can get a bite, see if we can catch a fish on this thing. Hopefully we can, guys. I'm getting big, guys. I don't know if it's a big fish or a small fish. I'm not sure. I think he has it. Do you have it? Nope. First bite of the day, guys. Been fishing for about an hour or so. But yeah, it's not a bad sign, guys. First bite I get. Felt like a small fish. Nothing too crazy. Sorry about that wind. I know it's pretty windy, but once I get into this cut, it shouldn't be that windy anymore, guys. Not a bad first bite, guys. Oh, there we go, guys. First fish of the day. Little fish. I was like, am I stuck on a rock or something? It was a tiny fish, guys. Not the big fish we're looking for, but I'll take it, guys. A fish is a fish. Nice little fish. Tiny fish, guys. That's funny. He ate my Cinco. All right. There he goes. Let's see if we can catch one twice that size. All right, guys. First fish of the day. Little fish. Not complaining. I've been fishing for about an hour or so. So I barely felt that fish. So I'm seeing a lot of action more towards that area. Bigger fish busting. So hopefully we can get those bigger fish to come up and see if we can catch one. I thought I was stuck on a rock because I was behind this rock that's underwater, but it kept tugging and I was like, nah, that's got to be a fish. So I set the hook and sure enough, I was about to not set the hook. So pretty good, guys. Alright guys, so I'm basically gonna run out of spots to fish. I could keep going that way, but it's like a cliff, and if I do hook a fish, I'm gonna have to like toss them back in the water like off a cliff. So this spot seems pretty good right now. I'm seeing a lot of top water action, so I'm gonna be throwing this popper. Alright guys, so I've been fishing for a while now. It's been about an hour since I caught that last fish. Getting to the end of the cove. Like I said, there's some cliffs here and I don't want to fish that. I mean, I would be fishing from the top, and if I would catch a fish, I would have to toss it from the top of the cliff. But hopefully we can catch a fish on this edge right here. It's not looking too good, but hopefully we can land a last minute fish, guys. There we go, guys. There we go. Second fish of the day. Not a bad one. About 1.5 pounds. I don't want to lose this guy. There we go. He came out of nowhere. Made sure to set the hook pretty hard. There you go, guys. Right on top of the mouth. Not a bad fish. Popped right out. About 1.5 pounds. Made sure to hook that guy really good. Not a bad fish, guys. Wow. We redeemed ourselves, guys. Tail is a little bloody from post spawn. Not a bad fish, guys. About 1.5 pounds. Wow, put up a fight. Set the hook. Thought it was a huge fish, but we'll keep fishing until the end of this cove so we can get anything else. But go ahead and let it go. There he goes. All right, let's see if we can catch one more, guys. All right, guys, so I'm kind of making it towards the end of the cove. This area is pretty deep. It drops off pretty quickly, so that's pretty good. I mean, there's going to be some fish hanging around here. This area seems pretty good. I caught that fish probably in about 8 feet of water or so. Not a bad fish. Not complaining. I've been fishing for about 2 hours. That felt pretty good. I'm making it towards the end of this cut. It seems kind of long. Well, actually not that long. So I'm just gonna finish fishing this cut. Hopefully we can catch another one, maybe a little bigger one. I don't know, but we'll see. I thought I had a fish on, but no. Oh, I have another fish, guys. There we go. Another nice fish, guys. I don't want this guy to come off. All right, I gotta get down there. I don't know how I'm gonna get down here. There you go, guys. Oh, he spit my Cinco. Nice. Fish number 3, guys. Not a bad fish, smaller fish. I was saying how I just wanted to catch another bigger one. Turns out we caught a small fish. Not a bad day so far, guys. Let's go ahead and let him go. There he goes. I'm gonna head back to the truck. I got a long walk ahead of me, about 2 miles. So I'm gonna head back and I'll meet y'all there. Alright everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. After a 2-mile walk, I am finally back at the truck. Time check is currently almost 10 o'clock, but it is already 90 degrees. It's getting pretty hot, so I'm going to go ahead and head out. That is going to do it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.